Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa. وَلْيَخْشَ الَّذِينَ لَوْ تَرَكُوا مِنْ خَلْفِهِمْ ذُرِّيَّةً ضِعَافًا خَافُوا عَلَيْهِمْ فَلْيَتَّقُوا اللَّهَ وَلْيَقُولُوا قَوْلًا سَدِيدًا. Translation: and let those guardians fear as if they had left helpless their own family and children behind. So let them fear Allah to be pious and speak the right words, upholding statement. In these ayahs, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving commandments about the distribution of inheritance wealth and also about the orphans. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is commanding that whenever someone receives the wealth of a person, and he must do as soon as possible the distribution among all the legal heirs of that person who passed away. These people may include little orphan kids, may include elderly people or other people, and it may include the needy and poor people. And if someone is not distributing the wealth right away according to the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, there is a chance that this wealth may be wasted. So these people who get the wealth for distributing it to the legal heirs who will get the money, they should put that situation on themselves, that if they die, what would they think best for their family and their little children if they die. Obviously, they would think that their wealth should be distributed as soon as possible to the legal heirs of the wealth, and no wealth should be wasted. Thus, they should do the same as they want it for themselves. So the person who is the guardian should not do any khayana, and they should distribute the wealth according to the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And if he is keeping the wealth with him and the children of the person who died are very little, he should keep the money very safely, and he should spend the money on the kids till they are adults, and then the money should be given to them. And also they should also give them very kind language. This ayah is about the guardians, but in general there is a message for everyone, and everyone should think that when they die, how they would like their orphans to be treated after them. They must think that their orphans should be treated very nicely and justly. Thus they should also treat the orphans very nicely and very justly if they come across any orphans. These commandments are clear, and these commandments can be followed if a person has fear of Allah in his heart, has taqwa and love of Allah in his heart, and one must give the best possible language to the orphan people. Oh Allah, give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.